In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive real-time travel alerts in Navan, one of the most powerful tools for streamlining your travel experience. Whether you're a business traveler or someone who just wants to stay on top of travel changes, this feature is a game changer. Stick around till the end because I'll also be revealing how you can get started with Navan completely free, along with an exclusive bonus that you won't want to miss. Now, let's dive right in. To get started with real-time travel alerts, you first need to ensure that you have an account set up in Navan. If you don't have one yet, it's really easy to sign up, and you can access everything the platform has to offer. Once you're logged in, head to the Travel Preferences section. Here you'll find the option to configure your real-time alerts. Navan connects to a wide range of travel services, including airlines, hotels, and ground transportation, to keep you updated on any changes. What makes the alerts in Navan so valuable is that they are customizable. You can choose what kind of notifications you want, whether it's flight delays, cancellations, gate changes, or even new travel restrictions. This ensures that you only receive the information that's most relevant to your trip. One of the standout features is the automatic updates. If your flight is delayed or changed, Navan instantly sends an alert to your phone or email. This feature not only saves you time, but also reduces stress, allowing you to adjust your plans on the fly without scrambling for information. Navan also integrates seamlessly with your calendar, so once your travel details are entered, the system automatically syncs the travel alerts with your schedule. No need to manually track each leg of your journey. Navan does it all for you. You'll know when it's time to leave for the airport or when to head to your next meeting, all based on real-time updates. Another great aspect of the real-time alerts in Navan is the global coverage. Whether you're traveling to a nearby city or across the globe, Navan ensures you're kept in the loop about any changes to your itinerary, no matter the destination. This is especially useful for international travelers who need to keep track of different time zones and flight connections. And here's the best part. Navan's interface is user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to take full advantage of the alerts. With just a few taps or clicks, you'll set up your preferences and let the platform take care of the rest. Plus, the alerts are sent to your preferred method, whether it's email, text message, or app notifications, so you can choose what works best for you. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can get started with Navan for free by using the first link in the description below. Not only that, but you'll also gain access to an exclusive extended trial that allows you to explore the software's full capabilities, including the real-time travel alerts with no strings attached. So, if you want to take your travel management to the next level, make sure to try Navan today using the link below. With real-time alerts, you'll never miss a beat during your travels again. Don't forget to claim your exclusive free trial. Your next trip is about to get a whole lot easier.